My name is Mpa Ogbujifavor Chinemezu. I'm the convener of the Lagos Igbo Hangout that held on the 23rd of June 2024 at FHA in Festac. A friend of mine, Oyiga Michael, he organizes this charity football, the Sustainables. So at the last edition of his charity football, I was part of the organizers and I attended with a mutual friend of mine from Enugu. I used to be resident in Enugu for a while. I was in Enugu until 2022 when I relocated to Lagos. Then this mutual of mine, this friend of mine, her name is Chidiogo. She relocated to Lagos in 2023. She now works in Lagos. When we were in Enugu, we were pretty very close. We had a Twitter community, a very vibrant Twitter community, and it was all love. So meeting her in Lagos, it was meeting your long lost friend, and we started catching up, started speaking our local Igbo dialect. And then she made a remark. She was like, she has been in Lagos for a while. She has not really had that much friends. Work has been choking for her, and she has not had people who she can comfortably speak Igbo with. At that football game, I got inspired. I got this inspiration from her, and I've been looking towards hosting a few of my friends from Enugu, just my few of my Igbo friends in Lagos here, where we can just catch up on our Enugu vibe and just catch up on the Igbo vibe. So on the 3rd of May, I made a tweet. I made a tweet talking about wanting to host an Igbo themed event in Lagos, Erimeri and Jakiri. That will just come to be a showcase of our food, our culture. Then we'll listen to Igbo cultural songs by like Flavor, Fino, Umo Biligbo, Ugochi. And that was what bettered this whole idea of the Lagos Igbo Hangout.